Icon Systems is a design and manufacturer of equipment for jails and prisons in the United States, Mexico, and Canada, and throughout the world. So the main reason that jails and prisons use our product are we save water, we save maintenance, and then we provide better security. We provide water savings by the valves and the systems that we create. Those valves and systems then save 50% of their water bill. The systems that we create basically control how often an inmate can flush the toilet, and by doing that, we're able to save a considerable amount of water throughout the jail system. The controller that we have goes in behind the wall, and we remove the mechanical buttons that the inmates normally would push and flush the toilets with. And by doing that, they can only flush the toilet twice within a 5-minute period, and we'll lock them out so that they can't flood the floors, flush sheets and clothing, flush contraband, and do things like that inside of a jail. The maintenance side of it, we create a very, very reliable system. It has a lot less moving parts. We figure less parts, more reliable, easier to use, simpler to use. And then in the corrections, as far as security goes, it allows the correctional officers, if they're going to do a search for contraband, they lock the system down so nobody can flush the toilet. That button push is then tracked back to our system and shows on the computer screen at the control center, and they say, go search cell 101, go search cell 115, go search cell 135. They have something. So we provide that extra security. Essentially, this is a raw board, part of our surface mount line. It starts with no components on it. It ultimately goes through the first part of the machine, which puts the solder paste on and prepares it for production. After that, it goes through to the end where we carriage these up. This is like a carriage machine. So basically, these boards end up being pushed in from the other side and be carriaged up. So Icon was started in 1993, and we started with 3 people. And in about 2010, we were at about 40 people. And now in 2018, between Icon and ICS, we have 85 people here. Because we manufacture 95% of everything that we sell, we have the skill sets that go from manufacturers to engineers to marketing through finance. Every area primarily we hire. So this is one of our new valve bodies. This is a commercial product. This is a brand new flush valve. So here we're just testing it to make sure that the fixture and the valve are working properly as we're tying these valves and fixtures together. And we run that as part of some of our testing procedures. We have to flush balls of polypropylene balls about 60 feet down a pipe to make sure it passes, and it has to pass different fluids and different solids and things like that. Yeah, so the next area that we're going into is a commercial area. We're taking some of the products that we have and some of the technology that we've created in the correctional industry, we're bringing that more to a commercial industry. So a typical hotel or a convention center or a theme park. Well, being in Seminole County has been great to be operating in because there's a lot of skill set here, and it's a great community, so people want to live here. So it makes it very easy for us to find and hire talent. We're also close to several colleges, and in UCF, for instance, and other colleges, we typically have, any given time, we'll have about 15 interns here, and about 1/3 of our staff is ultimately were hired through the internship program. Shipping and distributing to our end users makes it easy as well because we're close to the 417, which then gets trucking easy access to I-4 and other areas throughout the area, as well as the airport is nearby too if we have to ship things quickly. So it's a great asset to be in this area.
For more information about Seminole County economic development, visit businessinseminole.com. And for more information about Icon Systems, visit i-con.com.